Hey folks, Mike here from PuckerStop with a instructional video on how to change your kickstand leg stop on the Harley Davidson FLH. I call it PuckerStop. So when you drop a kickstand down on a stock unit, let me show you what happens. Notice the position of the kickstand, like 90 degrees or less, and what happens on unsteady ground or a little bit of an incline, it's going to roll forward, and you're going to think the bike is falling, and it's going to make your butt hover. I made something that stops that. That's why I call it the PuckerStop. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to lift the bike up a little bit and proceed to change the kickstand leg stop. Alright. Here we go. Do it on this because there's nobody here to hold the bike up. You can get somebody else to hold the bike up for you. And if you can move in a little bit. See, this is it. It goes no further. I'm going to do this the quick way. Take the bolt off, take the washer. I put a flat washer on mine. There it is. This is also a way to change the spring. You take that unit off in case your spring brakes had been broken, and you simply change the spring. Once this is over here, this is it, PuckerStop. Looks the same, don't it? That on. I have a lock washer that I added. Factory don't put a lock washer on it. I also put blue Loctite on this, just because this is usually according to factory specs, 12 to 40 pounds torque. That's it. Notice the difference. The factory one was out here somewhere. PuckerStop is going to bring it forward. Hey, purchase your PuckerStop today from my website, PuckerStop.com. Thank you and have a great day.